Hello everyone, welcome to Toothway Dental. Embarking on your child's first dental visit at Toothway Dental will be an exciting adventure. This video will guide you how do you prepare your child for the first dental visit at this dental heaven. Familiarize your child to Toothway Dental, showing him or her the video or the pictures on the website so that they know where are they going to, what to expect from the dental clinic. That you emphasize on the funny side of being to a dentist or the cooler side of being to a dentist. It would be more cooler to have healthy teeth. You can ask your child if he wants to have a role play at home so that he can have a look at your teeth while you're lying down, and also you have a look at your child's, he or she are lying down. This makes them understand that this is what is going to happen. It is only a checkup that is going to happen at Toothway Dental when you visit Toothway Dental for your first time. You can craft an interesting storyline for Toothway, saying that it would be an exciting adventure to go and meet the pediatric dentist at Toothway Dental. I recommend that you explain the procedure or the general checkup procedure only to your child and don't lie to them. Avoid using traumatic words like injections or shots in front of the kid before his dental visit. Most importantly, this is for you parents. Please avoid Googling videos or any photographs of any dental procedures happening for a child and show them to your child. Please avoid. This sets up an expectation or sets up already formed opinion about the dental office, which is not so very healthy when you're coming for a first dental check. Talk to your child and address his fears and concerns. Then try and arrive a bit early, at least around 5 to 10 minutes early, so that the child has a better chance to settle down in the atmosphere and feel comfortable to meet any new person or a new doctor. For young kids, you can always bring their comforting choices of them which can be carried from home to the clinic. We always advise that the child has rinsed his mouth and has not had anything for the 20 minutes prior his dental appointment. Share your positive thoughts. Share your positive experiences, if you have any, with your child about dentistry. That makes you lead by an example. And always plan a post-visit celebration which encourages him and which acts as a reward for him for a better behavior the next time he is there at Toothway Dental. Preparing your child to have a better experience at Toothway Dental is a collaborative effort which has to be from our side as Team Toothway and also from you as parents. Follow these guidelines for a beautiful experience at Toothway Dental. Thank you.